Hello, how are you? Welcome back. In this video, we're going to take a look at this beauty. Yes, this is a playsuit, and in this video, we're going to talk about how to make a playsuit from the scratch, from the beginning to the end, how to make a playsuit. This is going to be a series, so you have to look forward for the next videos and the other videos to come until this series is complete. I am married. I love to do pattern drafting, and I also love to manipulate my way on freehand methods. That's why in this class we're going to take a look at how to make this beauty using the freehand method and also applying the pattern drafting method. Okay? So I welcome you, sit back and turn on the notification bell if you have not done that. Also, if you're new to this channel, kindly click the subscribe button. And if you know that this video or this series you're about to have will be so useful to other soulmates, kindly click the share button and share to anybody you wish on your list. Don't also forget to give this video a thumbs up. Like this video, yeah. Also, you can drop your comments on the comment section, ask your question, and I'll be glad to answer all of them. Now let's go straight to what we're here for. Let's do an analysis on this beauty we have here, our playsuits. Okay, I'm going to bring this closer. Okay, now if you look at this, you find that we have the upper part and the lower part. Now the upper part is like your basic bodies, which comprise of the upper part of your body, and the lower part now that is attached here, right here, is the pants, and you can see is a short. Okay, you can see that. Let's move this backward. You can see this is a short. It's not a long trouser. It's not a long pant. Now, what else can you analyze out of this? You can see that there's a sleeve. This sleeve we have here is a cold shoulder sleeve with a flay. So this is a flay cold shoulder sleeve. Also, we have a belt. The belt is made out of the fabric. We also have a loop for the belt. There's a loop for the belt. Let's come closer. There's a loop for the belt here, and you can also see that there is a band. There's a band in between, though it's not that visible, but there's a band. And we have pockets. The pockets we have here is as close as invisible, okay? Until the clients put the hands in there, it will be difficult for someone to know that there's a pocket, okay? Then let's take a look at the back. So when you take a look at the back, you see this flow, all right? There's no pumpy ride at the back. It is flowing so smooth because we applied the right technique to achieve that, yes. And also there's a zipper. There's a zipper to enable your client wear it easily, or you to wear it easily. You need an opening. Now, if you take a look at this dress very well, you'll find that it is free. Not minding that it's on a mannequin, with the measurements used in making this dress, there is ease. Yes, that's one thing you want to consider when making a playsuit. You want to make sure that there's enough ease for movement, because you're combining the upper part of a dress and the lower part of a dress together to put them on. Now, this can create discomfort if there is no ease on it. So if you look closely, you see that the dress is free to some point. It's free. It's free of the person. So that's the analysis for this dress. You can see that. If you check under, you see that there's enough ease. This is one analysis for the dress. So you want to consider the ease to create comfort for you or for your client. I don't know who you're making it for, whichever, but it's to create comfort. You need comfortability. Number one thing you need to consider when making a playsuit is comfort. The second thing you have to consider is the type of fabric. Now, the type of fabric I have here is called woven fabric. Woven fabrics are fabrics that don't stretch. That's the kind of fabric I have here, right? And because I have a woven fabric, I must add ease. It is very, very necessary to add ease because I need to stretch, I need to bend down, I need to pick some things, I need to climb my bike when I'm going out if I don't have a car, something like that. And If there is no ease, the fabric will not stretch out when you do all those movements. No, it's static. So, and this will lead to discomfort if you don't add ease to it, right? I don't know if you're flowing with me. You better do. Okay, but if I'm working with a fabric that is stretchy in nature, that's a spandex fabric, then I can say, oh, I don't want ease. I want this dress to fit perfectly so close to my body. And it will. If you have a spandex fabric or you want to work with a spandex fabric, you don't need to add ease at all. All you need to do is just do the necessary measurements and put in the necessary everything. Maybe just a little bit of ease might be necessary, and that is it. So when you're doing some body movements, you'll be comfortable doing those movements because the fabric is ready to stretch out for you. So that's the analysis that comes to play when you want to make a playsuit. You have to consider that. You can also decide to do a variation. It's not a must you must do something like this. You can do a tube playsuit. You can do a playsuit that have a deeper neckline. You can do a playsuit that has an alter neck. You can do a playsuit to any possibility of creativity that you have. Anything you can imagine, you can do it. All you have to do is, when on the table, do the right thing. Do the basic thing. The basics are very, very important. Then from the basic, you alterate to whatever style you want to do. So now we are done with our analysis. Let's move forward to the next step, which is how to take our body measurements for a playsuit. I'll see you in the next video.